CNN.com is reporting that Governor Paterson of New York is scheduled to have a news conference and resign at 3 p.m. today, February the 26th, 2010. Is David Paterson's offense any more serious than the offense of New York State Attorney General's office? In the article, CNN reported that Governor Paterson has decided not to run for a full term in office. One of his cabinet members, O'Donnell, resigned from her post after it was revealed that Governor Paterson played or may have played a role in a domestic violence allegation against one of his top aides. And in resigning, his cabinet member O'Donnell stated, "The fact that the governor and members of the state police have acknowledged direct contact with a woman who had filed for an order of protection against a senior member of the governor's staff is a very serious matter. These actions are unacceptable regardless of their intent." And it looks like to me that Governor Andrew Cuomo is going to benefit from Governor Paterson's inexcusable, if not criminal, actions in this matter. And my question is, will Cuomo, like the previous New York State Attorney General and Governor Spitzer and David Paterson, continue to kick the can down the road? The can is my Title VII case, Richardson versus New York State Department of Corrections and New York State Department of Correctional Services. Both Governor Paterson and Andrew Cuomo are familiar with and knowledgeable of my serious allegations. The New York State Attorney General's Office has a Civil Rights Bureau. That bureau is responsible for enforcing violations of Title VII discrimination cases under the Civil Rights Act of 1964. How can that agency enforce and demand that others, companies, don't violate Title VII and participate in not only a cover-up, but file 7 perjured declarations in federal court that resulted in a legitimate claim, an American citizen claim, being dismissed, thrown out of court, and that citizen being denied a jury trial. A jury trial that certainly would have resulted in the New York State Department of Correctional Services and New York State Civil Service being found guilty of violating Title VII of the Civil Rights Act of 1964. So is David Paterson's offense any more offensive than the New York State Attorney General's Office offense? Is his offense being treated differently because David Paterson is black? Was I denied my day in court because I am black? I am respectfully requesting that Governor Cuomo, I keep calling him governor because I'm assuming he's going to be the next governor of New York, but Attorney General Cuomo, in your position as Attorney General, you finally investigate my case and my allegations and make me whole. You and our Governor Paterson, the very least you can do is approve my disability retirement application, which was also unjustly denied by New York State Department of Corrections, Civil Service, and Retirement System. Cuomo, you mailed me a letter when I sent you a copy of my book, and also proof, book requesting that you investigate my allegation, that you couldn't help me because you represent the state of New York. Yet you were going to investigate Governor Paterson and or the New York State troopers, but you couldn't investigate your own New York State Attorney General's office to see if you all violated the law? You couldn't take the necessary actions to make me whole? I hope that with God all things are possible, and that all of this would lead to me finally receiving justice and peace in this case. Thank you very much.